Hello everyone, this is Dr. J. Anita Hepzibah, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S. N. S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. We have been discussing about the different terminologies in dyes and the classification of dyes in this particular lecture series. The classification dyes can be classified based on their source, structure and also application. In this video, we will be discussing about the classification of dyes based on their structure. Based on the structure, dyes are classified into nitro dyes, nitroso dyes, azo dyes, anthraquinone dyes, indigoid dyes, etc. So nitro and nitroso dyes, here we have the nitro group as the chromophore and the hydroxy group as the oxochrome. The common example we can note is naphthol yellow. So in naphthol yellow, the nitro group, the presence of nitro group gives an yellow color to the dye, but the presence of hydroxy group, that is the oxochrome, deepens the color. In nitroso dyes, nitroso group, that is NO group, acts as the chromophore, and the phenolic, that is the OH, acts as the phenolic OH acts as the oxochrome. Example, gambine Y. So the next class of dyes is azo dyes. Here we have N double bond N, that is the azo group is present as the primary chromophore, which is present between two rings. Here you see there are two aromatic rings. Between these two rings the azo group is found. So this azo dyes are the largest use of dyes, largestly used dyes in the textile industry, and 2/3 of the dyes used is azo dyes. Methyl orange is a very famous common example. Congo red, Bismarck brown, chrysodyne and tartrazine are the examples. Third one is triaryl methane dyes. Here the word triaryl methane, it is the substituent of methane, that is the three hydrogen atoms present in the methyl group is now substituted with three phenyl ring, so three aromatic ring. So and in one it is in the quinonoid form. So the central carbon is connected with the two benzene rings and one quinonoid ring, and it is again a quaternary ammonium salt here. So malachite green is used as a direct dye for wool and silk. Crystal violet, phenolphthalein is also examples for triaryl methane dyes. The next one is anthraquinone dye. Here anthraquinone ring is the chromophore. Here you see the anthraquinone ring is the chromophore and the OH group is the oxochrome. So the anthraquinone group gives the exact color of the dye and the OH group deepens the color. Alizarin red, it's a textile dye, and Remasol brilliant blue. These are all very commonly used examples for the case of anthraquinone dyes. Next one is indigo dyes. Here indigo dyes are very anciently used dyes. The natural indigo dye is indigo, which is used in denim industry for dyeing blue jean. It's a very famous dye. So here indigo dyes, you have the carbonyl chromophore. So carbonyl chromophore, and that is being added to the oxochrome, and which will help in intensifying the color. Okay, so the next classification of dyes is based on application. There we'll be studying about reactive dyes, direct dyes, disperse dyes, sulfur dyes, and also not sulfur dyes, VAT dyes, etc. Thank you.